Guys, guess what? I am at the Nether. What the? Is that? Look, I am at the Nether. Like, oh my gosh. The Nether Wart. This is, I sort of cut down the, like, all that stuff and made it into, you know, like another village or something. And I also built cars. Like the tires, like the car, like the wooden door. Yeah, I guess you do. But I am totally at the Nether, guys. I am totally at the Nether. I made bikes. I made everything.
Give boy birds. It's just Adam.
Bed, sweet bed. I just made everything. Look at this. I didn't get the shoot. Oh no. Here, Brian. He comes here at 11:10. I gotta go protect myself. Just let go. Look at the fridge. Okay, so we have Mountain Dew, which is purple. We have purple milk, thingies, and all kinds of stuff. Get down, real quick. Okay, guys, you're gonna be our eyes. Got it? Never mind, we have to go, we have to go, guys. Fuck. I was eating some Takis. Aim. Got him. Darn. This is the next way. I can't see nothing. Out of ammo. Dang it. Dun, dun, dun. Shoot! An earthquake! This is actually an earthquake. This is actually an earthquake. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm actually not kidding. Guys, please help. I'm not actually kidding. I was just kidding. Oh God. Oh gosh. Okay, guys. I'm gonna need to end this video here. You like if you do. Please. I appreciate it.